in this video we'll see how we can utilize or increase our RAM size. Okay, the random access memory, how we can increase. We will increase our RAM size using the free space available in your hard disk. Okay, so the space available in your hard drive can be utilized as a RAM memory. Okay, that's virtual RAM memory, you can say. It's like virtual RAM memory. Okay, so what it will do, what you have to do, and guys, to be very frank, it won't affect much. Okay, it won't affect much as a hardware do. Suppose like if you're gonna use virtual RAM memory, if you have initial of like 4 GB of RAM and you increased a virtual memory to 8 GB, but it will be effective. Okay, it won't be that much effective as a hardware do, but it will be effective. Okay, so first we need to go to my computer. Okay, there you can see you have to go to this properties. Okay, so as you can see here, my RAM size is installed RAM size is 4 GB. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to advanced system settings. Okay, then under the advanced tab you will see a menu here, performance. Then you need to go to settings. Okay, in settings we have options here, visual effect, and then you need to go to advanced. Okay, here we go. So as you can see here, the paging virtual memory, you click on change. Okay, so what do you have to do, you have to uncheck this box. Okay, so make sure you have like free hard disk space. Okay, free hard disk, you have free space in your hard disk. Okay, so make sure which drive has that allotted space. So I have 4 GB of free space in my this drive, H drive. Okay, so you just select the drive, go to custom size. Okay, click here, click on the free memory, suppose 4096. Okay, and in the next tab, maximum size, set the same amount of memory as the initial size. Okay, so as you can see here, I have set this RAM memory, and what will happen now, it will be extended to 8 GB because my RAM capacity is 4 GB, as you can see here, and now it will be extended to 8 GB. Click on set. Okay, it's showing there's not enough space. Okay, I'll reduce somewhat, I'll make it as 4000, let's say 80. Okay, 4080. That's it. As you can see here, currently allocated 8714 MB. That means it is 8 GB of RAM. Okay, click on OK. So what you need to do then, you have to restart your system. So once you restart your system, and one more thing, wait a second, my computer, this PC. Okay, so once you restart your system, make sure the drive from where you pulled those 4 GB of space, make sure that device has some capacity left. Okay, do not make it to up to full extent. Like as you can see here, 4 KB of space is left. Make sure you have like 200 or 300 MBs should be left. Okay, it should be left blank, and then definitely this will work. Okay, thank you so much, and hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up and see you soon. Thank you.